Hello everyone, this is Tech 20. We're going to go ahead and cover today on how to lock specific cells. So there's going to come times when you're going to need to do that. Um, so you have a formula that you're trying to protect or you want anybody to mess with or something along those lines. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. Alright, so what we're going to do is we want to go ahead and in this data, we want to just have a total of the balance. You have balance that you owe, balance that's owed to you. If you don't know how to sum numbers automatically, do feel free to go ahead and check out my other tutorial, which is going to be popping up on the screen momentarily. It's also part of the Excel um, uh, videos. Sorry, I lost my train of thought there. Um, so as you can see here, we have our total 24, 3, 28, 63. Now, by default, all cells are going to be locked. As you can tell, you go over here, you right click, go to Format Cells, and it's already locked. So, I wonder, why can people edit it? Well, it's because you haven't applied any actual locks to it. So the first thing you want to do is select the entire sheet or the range of cells you want to be unlocked or locked. So let's say we wanted these locked because we don't want them to be able to change, but balances will change, and we want users to have that. We don't want them to be able to edit our formula either. So we're just going to go ahead and focus on the formula for today. So we're going to go ahead and click over here, which will select the entire sheet. Right click anywhere in that sheet. Go to Format Cells here on the drop down, or after you right click, and then go to Protection, Uncheck Locked. Go ahead and hit OK. Now, what you're going to do is come over here to go to the Review tab, Protect Sheet. You want to select the lock cells, select the unlock cells. Protect them. You want to put a password in there. I'm going to go and put in 1234 because everybody knows that's the most secure password in the world. Go ahead and retype that in there. My spreadsheet is safe. I don't need to worry about anybody messing with this. Oh wait, I just did. How did that happen? Well, I need to go back in there and lock it now. So I need to select this cell, right click on it, select this cell. Actually, I need to go in and unprotect the sheet first. Sorry, got ahead of myself. So I'm going to go ahead and unprotect that sheet first. Right click on this cell, select Format Cells. Again, I want this one locked. Okay, I want to go ahead and protect the sheet, select the unlocked and locked shells, protect the content of locked cells, allow all users of this worksheet to select locked cells, select unlock cells. We don't want them to select the ones. We do want them to go ahead and be able to do that. Go ahead and put in the password 1234 and reconfirm that password 1234. Now that's applied. Now a user can come in here and put in more numbers. So let's say there's a new account that was added, and we'll just call this account John Morris. Phone number is going to be 808-288-2415. Account number is going to be that. And then he owes us a balance of $521.00. It didn't add it to our total over here. So you see, they can't even select that. I can't even select it right now. We need that to add to that total, so we need to unprotect the sheet. So we're going to come over here under the Review tab on the ribbon, unprotect sheet, put in our password, our super secret 1234 password. You're going to want to check something else other than that. But we want this to auto sum more numbers, right? So we're going to want this to go all the way down our sheet to maybe E100. So as you can tell, it automatically selects it. You scroll down, goes down to E100. And then you go ahead and hit enter. You'll see that number changed with that 524 to $24,849.63. Go back here, protect sheet. require the password again to protect the sheet. Now that you've changed the formula to what you wanted it to be. Now let's say we get another account and we call this one Jane Martinez. Okay, and her phone number is 801-288-4517. Account number is that. And she has a balance of $300. Now watch, that will go $3,000 out in 1 cent. You see that changed to $27,000. If we remove Jane's account, it goes back. So as you can tell, it's auto-summing that number now, and we're able to do that. Any user can correct these numbers as well on the spreadsheet. And if you have found any of this content useful, please do leave a like and subscribe. Also, please feel free to check out one of my other videos on Excel or anything else. And if there's something you'd like to see me cover, please leave it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get that done for you. Thank you, and have a great day.